Hello everyone, myself CS Deepak Amrutkar, practicing company secretary, Mumbai. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Corporate World. Today's topic for discussion today is with respect to board meetings through video conferencing. This is very recent and latest development with respect to holding of board meetings through video conferencing. Uh, Company is an artificial person. Company is run by board of directors. Who are board of directors? Board of directors are appointed by shareholders of the company. What is the role of directors? Directors का रोल क्या होता है? To make decisions at the meeting for the benefit of company. So decisions are made by directors. The decisions made are translated through passing of resolutions. And for taking decisions and passing resolutions, board of directors need to meet personally. Now, the Companies Act 2013 makes it compulsory for every company to hold board meetings in every quarter, every 3 months, and four board meetings should be held in a financial year. So, earlier, before pandemic, board of directors who are natural persons do meet personally at the registered office of the company and hold board meetings and take decisions and pass resolutions for the benefit of company, for smooth running of company. Now, due to pandemic and COVID 2019 situation, Ministry of Corporate Affairs has passed a circular and passed a notification allowing the companies to hold board meetings through video conferencing. Now, through video conferencing, the directors can meet online. Now, there are various forms of video conferencing apps like Zoom meeting, Skype, Blue Jeans, and other options are available for board meeting to be held online. Now, the board meetings, we will discuss about the concept and the procedure for holding board meetings through online mode, that is video conferencing. Now, as per I will read out the section so that you will understand the basic concept. As per section 173(2) of the Companies Act 2013, the Act read with Rule 3 of the Meeting of Board Rules 2014, every company can hold a board meeting through video conferencing or other audio visual means which are capable of recording and recognizing the participation of the directors. I will read out it again. Every company can hold a board meeting through video conferencing or other audio visual means which are capable of recording होना जरूरी है, जो बोर्ड मीटिंग होती है उसका रिकॉर्डिंग होना जरूरी होती है, और recognizing the participation of the directors. Recording or recognition, the person who are attending should identify themselves at the board meeting. Then various video conferencing meeting platforms include Zoom meeting, Blue Jeans meeting, Skype, like that. And a link for board meeting through video conferencing mode should be generated and shared with the eligible directors well on time. This is basic requirement. Now, the next point is the quorum for board meeting of the board of directors of the company shall be 1/3 of the total strength or 2 directors, whichever is higher. And the participation of the directors by video conferencing or by other audio visual means shall also be considered for the purpose of quorum under the subsection. What is the meaning of this? Whenever we personally meet the directors, it will be counted as quorum. 2 directors, 3 directors. Through online mode also, whenever all directors are present through online mode, that will be considered as quorum for attending the board meeting. Now, under section 173, Also, company must hold minimum 4 board meetings, and the gap between 2 board meetings, now it was earlier 120 days, now it is 180 days. The gap between 2 board meetings can be now 180 days. 4 board meetings can be held. I will explain it. How board meetings can be held. Suppose for financial year to 2021, first board meeting can be held in April 2020. Second board meeting can be held in July 2020. Third board meeting in September 2020. Next board meeting in December 2020. Next board meeting can be held on February 2021, and last board meeting can be held on 31st March 2021 for that financial year. So total 6 board meetings can be held. A board of directors can meet any number of times. The minimum is 4. Now I will go ahead with respect to how the board meetings can be held. Uh, Now, board meeting notice and advance notice of board meeting duly signed by any one director of every director must be sent to all the directors prior to the meeting in writing. Such notice should be should mention about the meeting must be sent through the post, by hand, or by email, or any other electronic medium. Now, nowadays, all the board meetings are sent through email. The director should sign the notice of the board meeting, and any one of the directors who is authorized to sign the board notice, the said notice, signed copy of the notice should be sent by email to all the directors. It is necessary condition. The notice must contain relevant details, information, the directors about the option available to the directors to attend the board meeting थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. नोटिस में मेंशन किया जाना चाहिए कि आप जो बोर्ड मीटिंग है वो ऑनलाइन होने वाली है और यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू अटेंड द मीटिंग ऑनलाइन, एंड ऑल द डायरेक्टर्स टू अटेंड द मीटिंग रिक्वेस्ट किया जाता है. नाउ नोटिस का जो कॉपी है उसके साथ में एजेंडा आइटम भी इंक्लूड किया जाता है. नोटिस एंड एजेंडा फॉर होल्डिंग द बोर्ड मीटिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज before commencement of the board meeting through video conferencing mode, roll call will be taken at the start of the meeting by the chairperson, and every director participating in the board meeting through video conferencing or any other audio visual means must state for the record namely. अभी इसका मतलब क्या होता है, रोल कॉल क्या होता है कि रोल कॉल एक अटेंडेंस टाइप का एक फॉर्मूला होता है, प्रोसीजर होती है, जिसमें डायरेक्टर्स को एक कॉल किया जाता है इन ऑनलाइन मोड. द कंटेंट्स ऑफ हाउ इट विल बी डन, फुल नेम ऑफ द डायरेक्टर एंड दिन नंबर, लोकेशन फ्रॉम वेयर ही इज स्पीकिंग, कहाँ से बोल रहे हो, लोकेशन कहाँ से, और डिक्लेरेशन फ्रॉम डायरेक्टर ओरली दैट ही रिसीव्ड नोटिस एंड एजेंडा ऑफ बोर्ड मीटिंग. डायरेक्टर ने डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए ओरली मीटिंग में, ऑनलाइन मीटिंग जब चालू होती है तब, कि मुझे नोटिस मिला है, एजेंडा मिला है बोर्ड मीटिंग का. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ओरल डिक्लेरेशन दैट इन वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग मोड एंड रूम ऑफ बोर्ड मीटिंग no other person is present. This is most important for confidential point of view, because board meetings are confidential matters are discussed. So this declaration by directors should be made at the time of board meeting. Now the next point is attendance of directors is ascertained during the roll call and shall be considered as a quorum for board meeting. ये जो हमने प्रोसीजर चालू अभी प्रोसेस किया है उसके हिसाब से एक अटेंडेंस हुआ जाता है, और दैट अटेंडेंस, सपोज 2 directors 3 directors, that will be considered as quorum for the board meeting. Meaning without proper quorum the board meeting cannot be held. Now next point is all safety measures including confidentiality of meeting and protection of call data at the board meeting are the top priority of management of the company including company secretary. Now what is this meaning? जब बोर्ड मीटिंग होती है तो वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल मैटर डिस्कस हो जाते हैं, तो उसका रिकॉर्डिंग भी होना जरूरी होता है फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म पर्पज. उसका जो रिकॉर्डिंग होता है, फर्स्ट वी हैव डिस्कस पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, देन रिकॉग्नाइजेशन ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, देन थर्ड इज प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ डाटा, जो डाटा होता है उसका प्रोटेक्शन होता है, और फोर्थ पॉइंट इज स्टोरेज ऑफ डाटा, स्टोरेज ऑफ दैट इंफॉर्मेशन रिकॉर्डेड बोर्ड मीटिंग. That the normally board meetings are conducted by company secretary. The The responsibility of company secretary is recognizing the directors, attending the quorum of the meeting, then recording of the meeting, and storage of the recorded meeting. These are the responsibilities of company secretary. Earlier, we have discussed about the role of directors, that is, they should identify themselves. This means in video conferencing, the role of directors and role of company secretary are well defined. They should perform their duties and role for valid and proper board meeting through online mode. Now, conduct a board meeting. Under subsection 8 and 9, 11 of these rules, द जो रूल्स होते हैं उसमें क्या बोला जाता है, वंस द कोरम इज फुलफिल्ड, एक बार कोरम हो जाता है, सब लोग इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं, द चेयरमैन शैल फर्दर प्रोसीड फॉर ट्रांजैक्टिंग द बिजनेस स्पेसिफाइड इन द एजेंडा ऑफ द मीटिंग। एक बार सब कोरम जमा हो जाने के बाद जो चेयरमैन होता है वो बोर्ड मीटिंग ऑफिशियली स्टार्ट करता है, चालू करता है। The participants are required to identify themselves for the record before discussing any item of business in the agenda. इसमें और एक पॉइंट होता है, चेयरमैन, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स एक चेयरमैन डिसाइड करता है और उसका एक रेजोल्यूशन पास किया जाता है एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ द बोर्ड मीटिंग। Now, next is in case of passing a resolution is objected and there is a need to put it to vote, the chairman will record the vote of every director who is participating, including the director who attends the meeting through video conferencing. Finally, the resolution should be passed on the decision of the majority of the directors. Uh, Once the chairman makes a note of such vote by the director, अभी इसमें क्या मतलब होता है, इसका मीनिंग ऐसा होता है कि सब डायरेक्टर डिस्कस करते हैं एजेंडा आइटम के हिसाब से वन बाय वन आइटम। अभी मोस्ट ऑफ द एजेंडा आइटम्स आर, आई विल गिव सम एग्जांपल्स, what may be the agenda of board meeting: increase in share capital, appointment of new directors, appointment of auditors, issue of shares, transfer of shares. These are agenda items normally most of the companies do have. So no, so the directors will discuss at the board meeting about the agenda item one by one, uh, and the directors after discussion may approve or reject the passing of the resolution. So the company secretary should note down the approval and rejection, if any, of the resolution. Whenever a discussion is completed on an agenda item, the chairperson will declare the summary of the decision made on such an item. The name of the directors shall also be announced who dissented from the decision of the majority. अभी इसका चेयरमैन का रोल क्या होता है, बोर्ड मीटिंग का जो चेयरमैन होता है उसका रोल होता है कि वो समरी ऑफ जो डिसीजन हुआ है उसका समरी बनाने का, और वो डिसीजन एक उसमें जो रेजोल्यूशन पास करते वक्त कोई डायरेक्टर डिसएग्री होता है तो उसका भी मेंशन करना जरूरी होता है। These summary decisions are helpful with respect to preparation of board meetings. And the board minutes shall be circulated to all the directors for reference and record. Now, matters which can be discussed at a board. Now, this is most important point. Uh, Matters which can be discussed at a board meeting convened through online video conferencing mode are as follows. नाउ अभी कौन से ऑनलाइन मोड जो मीटिंग होती है बोर्ड मीटिंग, उसमें कौन से टाइप की बिजनेस अलाउड है, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स ने, गवर्नमेंट और कंपनीज एक्ट क्या बोलता है? ऑडिट कमिटी मीटिंग्स फॉर कंसिडरेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इंक्लूडिंग consolidated financial statements, if any, to be approved by the board under section 134 of the act, companies act 2013 में approval of financial results is also considered at online meeting, video conferencing meeting. Earlier it was not so allowed, now it is allowed due to pandemic. Now next point is approval of matter relating to amalgamation, merger, demerger, acquisition and takeover. All these matters can be considered at online board meeting. Now next is approval of the prospectus, approval of annual financial statements and approval of board report. These items can be discussed at board meeting convened through online mode, that is video conference board. However, In the light of the pandemic, it is decided that all the matters shall be discussed by board of directors. Uh, these are the basic so far we have discussed about how the board meetings can be held through video conferencing, process for holding the board meeting, and minutes of the board meeting, and agenda and or matters which can be discussed at board meeting. See, these are the basic now latest amendments. Now, due to the pandemic, now it seems that the board meetings can be held for a while through video conferencing mode. If you like the contents of my video, do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.